For your daily oral hygiene, you need 4 things: a soft toothbrush, a toothpaste, a mouthwash, and an interdental toothbrush. Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Did you ever wonder how people with braces manage to brush their teeth? Or do you have braces and you are struggling to keep your teeth nice and clean? Or maybe you are considering putting braces, or you are new in the braces world and wonder how you can brush them up? Well, if that is the case, then you, my friend, are in the right place. When I put my braces, I searched all over for how I can brush my teeth, and the only thing I found was some medical videos explaining how it's done, but not really people doing it. And that is the reason I decided to show you guys how it's done after I learned it. You can start by taking this small guy called interdental toothbrush and brush with it underneath your braces in between your teeth, making sure that you remove everything that is extra in those sections, just like you would do if you were flossing them. And also do go inside the ring hole and do the same to make sure that it's clean. This way, if you have any food stuck in between your brackets, you can clean it off. After that, you use your soft brush to spread the toothpaste all over your teeth and then go in a circular motion around your teeth and make sure that you brush everything that was left over, but do it very gently. And eventually at the end, you can flick your brush up for the lower bit and down for the upper bit with the remaining toothpaste that is on your brush, making sure that everything is nice and clean. And finally, use some mouthwash to sanitize everything. This is basically how I normally brush my teeth, and in the beginning it might look like it's very hard or time consuming, but over time you gain experience and you become really quick at doing this process. So I would also like to emphasize that brushing your teeth after every meal, if you are having braces, is extremely important if you do not want to end up with gum diseases. I honestly believe that having straight teeth is as important as having healthy teeth, and that is a complete stupidity to spend a lot of money in putting braces to straighten your teeth, but then end up losing them later on because you were too lazy or too busy to brush them properly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you have any questions related to braces, do feel free to hit me up down in the comment section and ask anything you like.